So I made it to Cleveland and it is snowing. Snowing. Nobody likes it. It's freezing. Hello. Welcome back. It's me, Mom. Hi, kids. Well, I am, today is January 28th. I am on my second day of my third trip with my new airline. And I was so excited today because I got to fly with the famous Steve Pereira. And I'm just so excited. Couple reasons. If you know anything about YouTube flight attendants, you know Steve's name. He's very good at what he does. He's very good at guiding people and giving especially brand new flight attendants that have, people that have never been flight attendants, giving them kind of the crux of what this job is really about. No bells and whistles, just kind of raw data, if you will. And he was very, very influential for me, not in that regard, because I've already been a flight attendant, as most of you know, with another airline. However, it was his excitement and just explanation about the company again and again, and kind of what drove me to really consider my new airline. And I'm so grateful to him. He really helped me kind of make my next, career decision move, if you will. And so I was so excited. And I have to say, when I saw him in the airport, I gave him the biggest hug. I think we had like 3 hugs. And of course I cried because I'm really good at crying. Those that don't know me yet, just know I'm really, really good at it. So today, Stephen and I and 2 other kids, we flew from Orlando up here to Cleveland, and that's where I am now. We earlier walked to the store, went to Walmart. I got a few things, walked back by myself, and now I'm just kind of settled into my room. I'm really, really tired. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night, and I did 3 legs yesterday, 14 hours, or maybe it was 16 by the end. By the time I actually laid my head down, I was so tired. Oh my goodness. And today, coming back from the airport, I nodded off in the van a couple of times. But I got to say, this trip is going really, really well. I've been working with some great crews. Today was just a fun and exciting. And I have to say, I have one more plug for Steven, because he is everything I had imagined at work and more. He is so good at entertaining the cabin and keeping people happy. And so many people on the way out of the aircraft today were complimenting us on a job well done and saying, I swore I'd never keep flying, but you just, again, sealed the deal for me. So that was really, really touching. And those are the things that we live for as flight attendants. We want to hear that you've loved your experience with us and you'd love to come back. And, don't you feel great as a passenger, right? When the flight attendants are so good. As I always say, like I have a saying, my kids have a saying too. Oh my God, it's so good, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. So, today was one of those days, and I love it when crews really mesh and do well by the customer, because why are we here? We're here for the customer, right? We're here to take care of them. We're also here to make sure they keep coming back, because they are literally paying our paychecks, right? So if you take anything away from this little bit that I'm putting together this evening from my little hotel room in Cleveland, just know that, when we are doing our job, it's so important to make these customers happy. And that's what it should be about, right? It should be about that, because that keeps them coming back. That keeps us motivated, right? Because if nobody cares of what you're doing, then it doesn't motivate you to keep doing it, right? And so nobody likes a grumpy flight attendant. So, for those of you that are grumpy flight attendants that are watching this, knock it off. Just saying. Okay. Well, that's it for me. I need to eat something and watch Dr. Pimple Popper or whatever pops up. Oh, that was a great pun. Pops up on the TV. I'll see you guys. Much love. Remember, Mama loves you.